What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson, the Jackson family. As you can see, we getting ready to go out. As you can see what we got on. So you think we going to a water park, going swimming. We decided to go to a water park. And we failed on that. I was so mad because to think about it, I looked up the place that we was going to in Hartsville, the water park, and it said open till 7 p.m. So when we got there, it was closed. It don't open up to May, yo. And it was an hour and 15-minute drive, as you can see right there. It was closed, man. I was upset. We was ready to get in the water, have fun. But we had to rethink what we was going to do. I didn't want to do nothing after that long drive. So we decided to go to Frankie Fun Park. And the way it was kind of good to go there, and the way it wasn't, because I spent more money. I spent more money there, yo. Frankie Fun Park, it's a good place for kids, but it's high, it's expensive, y'all. It's expensive when you got more than one kid. No lie, it's expensive, but we had fun, yo. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all get into some of these clips and see what happened at Frankie Fun Park, yo. I don't know why, but let's get into the video, yo. can see, we done with spending all that money. Yeah, money. I'm just showing you the stuff that's in the back of Frankie fun part that we didn't get on. It was hardly nobody outside. I guess it was too hot. But yeah, I'm gonna probably do day 3 and that probably be it because I already done spent too much money. Yeah, I'm just making sure my boys they enjoy their spring break. They had a little fun. My baby boy, he wanted to get in there right there, but it was time to go, man. All right, y'all. See you when I see you. Peace out. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell.